This is the third lecture for the preparation of MDCAT. इस लेक्चर के अंदर हम बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के कंसेप्चुअल MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which of the following best explains why viruses are not placed in any kingdom of living organisms? They are unicellular, they lack cellular structure, they can reproduce on their own, they have DNA and or RNA but not both. The answer B is the correct option because viruses are acellular and depend entirely on host cell for reproduction, so they don't fit into the kingdom of cellular life. At which level of organization does the ability to carry out all life functions first appear? Tissue, organelle, cell, organ. Option C is the correct option because a cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life capable of independent existence. A group of interacting population of different species in an area is called as community because a community includes all the population of different species living and interacting in a particular area. Which statement correctly describe an emergent property? It can be predicted by studying the parts alone. It appears when components interact at a higher level. It exists at the molecular level only. It is unique to prokaryotic cell. Option B is correct. Emergent property arises from the interaction of parts. Which of the following is true about an ecosystem but not true about a community? Option A is the correct because a community only includes living biotic component, while an ecosystem includes both biotic and abiotic factor. Which of the following is the correct sequence from smallest to largest level of organization? In ecosystem: organism, ecosystem, community, population, biosphere. Organism, population, community, ecosystem, biosphere. Cell, organism, community, pollution, biosphere. Cell, tissue, organ, population and community. Option B is correct because the correct ecological hierarchy is organism, population, community, ecosystem and biosphere. In multicellular organism, why can't tissue survive indefinitely if separated from the body? They lose genetic material, they cannot exchange gases or nutrients efficiently, they lack mitochondria, they stop photosynthesis. Option B is correct because tissues depends on the body's circulatory and regulatory system of oxygen for oxygen, nutrients and waste removal. A group of similar cells performing the same function represent A. Tissue, organ system, population. A tissue is made of similar cells specialized for a particular function. Why is the biosphere considered as closed system for matter but an open system for energy? Option B is correct because the biosphere receives constant energy from the sun, but matter is generally recycled within it. Which of the following is an incorrect pairing of label and example? Cell, neuron, tissue, muscle, organ, heart, population, lion and tiger in a forest. Option D is correct because lion and tiger are different species, so together they form a community, not a single population.